Hi everybody, Jeff at Cuttermasters here. This morning we're going to demonstrate the Journeyman Carbide tool cutoff kit. The kit consists of a spacer plate for the back, the wheel, and the tension plate for the front. It'll fit on any Cuttermaster type machine. In the case of the Journeyman with the DC motor, we're going to run at about 2,000 RPM. You got to have some speed because of course the tool is pretty fine. This has been formulated for dry grinding, and we're going to cut off this Destiny Raptor here that's been beat up on the end. So it's a 3/8 tool, so we've got a 3/8 collet in here. We have air in the air spindle because you want to be able to spin the spindle, because that'll help keep the tool material cool as you're cutting off. So you need some speed, but you don't really want to go too fast because you just create a lot of heat. And then you should be able to just go. And that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple. You can cut off any diameter up to about 1 inch.